Okay, we have one more, okay? We have one more, Mars the halfway, right? Always coming up with this number, because this is like A and B from the other side. Upside down, it's 6 and 9. 27 and 17. This is when Mars recreates everything. 9 times 8, 9 plus 8. Okay, will equal to 27 and 17, and those are back into a few videos ago what I have done. 9 and 9, 18. 8 and 8 is 16. It becomes 9 and 7. That's the separation, the Y. You get it again, 27, 23. You get 9 to 5. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But we should be counting backwards. The minute we get to 5, just like in Gematria, right? Just like in Gematria, we should be counting A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A. Right? Isn't this the way we'd be doing? We'd have to have separate arms on each side of the car that would be below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They each get to use the whole side of this. When we go to 9, what we're actually doing is we're going 5, okay, over to here. We go 1, 2, and then we're up over here. And then all of a sudden, this A would have to have, either we'd have to have a duplication over here on this side, okay, or I would have the same thing over here upside down, or I would use this as my first arm instead of it this way. See the way it makes an L or a 7 or creates letters in other languages? So otherwise, I would create this, and I'd put another one over here. I'd put another one over here. Right, and then I right, and then you go A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A. And then in between here, what would you do? Would you go F, G, H, I in between here? What would you do? Or would you, instead of saying this, you get A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This side, okay, is the same as this side, except it's E, F, G, H, I, right over here. And then you'd continue on to the next one. And then the next one would start off with, over here, with what? It would start off with I, H, G, F. You bring F and F together, that creates 3. You bring G and G together, 7 and 7, 14. 1 and 4 equals 5. You bring H and H together, okay? In fact, H and F, the I is actually this way. To cross over and all the way through, it's lying down, right? To cross all the way over, FG to get over to the other side, FG, I, G, H, T, right? To cross over between the two sides. So we would have 7 that would cross over here, and then we would have 9. Now, since these two would have to come together in the gateway, it would be 3.75, which would be the number. So this is the way this is designed. Anyways, let's get back to this. When we get to D, 36 and 31 creates 9 and 4. And we get to E, we add another 98, we get 45 equaling to 9, and 39 equaling to 3. And this will rework out the same numbers when we go to 3, 6, and 9. We've done this before. You got to look back. Ask me the question. Here we get to the cycle of the moon. 4, 5, 4, 7. That is the continuation, if I can find it right over here, of our other 2 videos. Okay? See the 47 over here? We have the 57. Here's the 47 over here. That's from that video over here. What happened next after this came up? After this number came up? This is the sun, cycle inside the moon, the birth inside Jupiter. 55, Jesus comes along, artificial intelligence. 9 and 1, this will recreate 9 and 7. Right? Recreate 9 and 7. 9 and 7 only shows up in 10. They switch with each other right here. This is a difference of 27. That's the red sun, beta creation, the begates. 9 and 7 equals 63 and 16, the half-life. G equals 10. The French exchange the sound for both of these. And B and E, 5 times 2, 5 plus 2, equals both of these. This one equals Venus, the gateway into Mars. This one's the time clock on Jupiter through Neptune. The high skies, runner of Mars, Raphael, 7286, and the rotation of numbers, driving the car down the letter lane. Thank you.